Hey guys, welcome back. Biden's first day in office. It's Thursday, January 21st. So far I've just seen him sign a stack of executive orders. He's talked about clean energy executive orders, racial equality. However, I don't know how it's an executive order, but something along those lines. I actually didn't even check Urban One. Was it Urban One? That one that's always runs up on that stuff. Oh, it didn't run up on that. But yeah, our account today is pretty flat. We were down, then kind of came up. Tesla, really flat today. Oddly flat. Our CRSR looks like it hit a bottom, which is nice. Give actually had a lot of recovery, so it looks like it's doing good. After hours up 1.2%. I guess I think they announced their merger yesterday with the mortgage. So I don't know when that changes over, but Abby came down. Rocket kind of hanging out in that range again. I don't know. Hasn't really. It's got support here and it's kind of trying to come up, but yeah, I guess it's just not as aggressive as this day. So hopefully this is the time it breaks out and goes up to $70 or 40. We'll see. And then CRSR too. CRSR sold off because they had their share offering. That was, I think, this sell off, and then here, and then looks like it's bottomed. And if you watched yesterday's video, I was saying buy CRSR. So here we are. I think it's hit its bottom. Look on the daily, it's kind of been consolidating this range, but slightly higher lows and higher highs. So I'm imagining this was the bottom. So I think CRSR will be green the next, maybe not every day, but for the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think it'll probably trend up again for another week. Kind of how this does right here. And maybe some red days in there, but hopefully it breaks out into a higher range. But we might have to wait till earnings. So we'll see on that. I did pick up, of CRSR, I picked up 2 more calls. Remember we had all these calls on here. Got 7 of them now. So we had 5. I picked up 2 more at 22 cents. So that brought our average cost down on these calls down to 230. I don't know. Cost base is 34 cents. So we're still down on it overall, but only down 16% instead of like 40%. So I think I'm probably done averaging into that because I don't think CRSR is gonna. I think it's only gonna go kind of up from here, but we'll see. If it kind of stays flat again tomorrow, maybe I'll pick up some more. These are kind of an earnings play too because it's for February 21st, and they have earnings. Let's see, where is it? The 10th. So we'll see on that. HD looks like it came up. IMMR looked good. Yeah, that's it for the long term. Pretty flat today. Pretty mellow. Nothing crazy. We did have Airbnb went up a lot today. I wasn't paying attention to the market today, but why Airbnb stock is trading higher today? Trying to after Motley Fool questioned if the stock is. That seems like a weird reason. It went up today because Motley Fool questioned if the stock is a buy right now. I don't know. That doesn't make any sense. So it was a recommendation by Motley Fool, I guess. I don't know. I don't think Motley Fool is recommending it, but I don't know. Anyways, yeah, so this is up 12%, and on our E-Trade, that puts it at up 9.4% on the shares. We do, or no, sorry, 11% on the shares. We do have a covered call that we sold on it, and that of course is down since it went up today, and that's for $180. But yeah, it looks like it's going to be at 180. This expires tomorrow, so I might have to roll up this covered call. We'll see if I have to roll up this covered call. So basically close it out, buy it out, and sell one at a higher strike. So that's what I'll do with that tomorrow. If it looks like it's going to close above that, because I don't want to sell my shares. And then I got back into BNGO. So I was trying to look back at my order history and I couldn't see it. I can't remember if I sold out here or here, but basically I got back in today. I top ticked it pretty well. Yep, did it again. I was pretty patient with it, but then I don't know, it just kind of sold off after this. I thought I was going to run. Anyways, you can only trust fundamentals or technical analysis so much, and then it just doesn't always work. So I'm in it. I think it's, I mean, on the daily chart, unfortunately, it looks like it's way oversold or way overbought still, but not too bad. It's kind of coming down. And then on the hourly, looks like it's found a bottom, hopefully. I don't know. It might kind of come down here again, but this could be setting up for another run. So I've got shares of that. I actually got 347. I got quite a bit of shares this time, so we're only down a few percent, but it's $117 since I have a bigger position. Our IBM play from yesterday for earnings run up is doing well today. IBM ran up today 1.21%, which is pretty big for IBM. That made this call become 101% more valuable, which is crazy. I could have sold it. They are having earnings tomorrow. It's not a huge position, so I was like, we'll just roll the dice a little bit. We'll see what happens. So this is this expires next Friday, I believe. Is it Friday? Yeah, this expires next Friday, and earnings are tomorrow. Or no, maybe it's actually right now. Oh shoot. That's what that big drop is. So I guess not good earnings. Dang it, should have sold it. Can I sell it now? Let's see. I don't think I can sell it after hours. Let's just, yeah, let's just sell it at the, yeah. So that's gonna be worthless tomorrow. Oh well. That's funny. Yeah, except I saw this big spike. I wasn't even thinking it's earnings. But yeah, they had bad earnings. I wish I had a missed week. Oh well. You win some, you lose some. Twitter and Facebook plays are worthless. But so we will, yeah, this will be down $100 tomorrow because of that IBM play. No big deal. E-Trade today, again, Airbnb shares. Yeah, bought in more Corsair. Nothing else changed too much. Ruger looks like it's up, but that's just because the spread between those two. This Tesla, the Tesla credit spread. I don't know what Tesla's doing. It's consolidating heavy. It's weird to see days where Tesla doesn't move, but 0.5%. Really starting to look like a spy stock now. Look at this. Heavy consolidation. It should have some sort of earnings run up, I'd imagine, for next Wednesday. Maybe, I mean, sometimes they sell off a little bit before earnings, so I don't know. I just basically have to stay above 840 by tomorrow. So this thing could do anything. We'll see. This chart isn't really telling me much. It's showing me consolidation, which just means it's gonna break out one way or the other. It is bullish overall because it's still above the 180. MACD's right in the middle. RSI is right in the middle. So I don't know. I'm imagining it's bullish just because this only one indicator is showing it's still bullish, but we'll see. We'll see that tomorrow. That is, what is the credit on that? 145. So yeah, no big deal on that one. This thing says we're way up today on this just because of those Airbnb shares, 1,300. But I'd say we're not up 1,300 today. Isn't that crazy? On 100 shares of Airbnb, how much it can swing? $1,800. So we're actually down quite a bit today. Oh, it's just because that call. You subtract both of the, okay, so 1,500. So wow, down like almost 200 today. That doesn't seem quite right. I'm not sure what that's from. But that's it for me, I guess, guys. Not a whole lot for me today. Didn't set up any plays. I need to do some more credit spreads on this account. Having all these shares in here and seeing a high live account value is bad because it makes me think I have all this money to play with, but I'm just getting into all these plays. I'm like, whoa, I need to slow down. So this Tilray one, yeah, hopefully those, we've got time on those though. We'll let those sit. Baba, you know, I'm kind of bummed on Baba. They found, was it Jack Ma? Who's the guy? They found him, came up, and now it's cooling back off, I guess, down 2%. It's still low. Still low on the daily. So, I don't know. I figured with Biden and China, and this should... Twitter locks China's embassy account over tweet. Okay, that's right. So maybe they're concerned with stuff with that. I don't know. We'll see what happens with that one. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to sub up, like up, comment down, make your money happy money so it'll stick around. And we will see you tomorrow. A little bonus here. Here's our wheel account, paper account strategy. Remember, I sold SPY puts 380. 380 was the strike. SPY's at 384 today, so this put lost a lot of value. We got 73% of it so far, and max gain on it's 780. So today we made 580, 558 on it. Tomorrow, close it out. But I was thinking, and if you guys do the wheel or anything, if you know anyone doing this, can you just roll this indefinitely? I mean, I don't know why you couldn't, but if I just rolled this for all year, those gains would never be realized, right? If every time I closed, if I bought back the put, I sold another put in the same transaction, so I never basically realized any profits, because I don't think you realize it when you roll it over instead of closing it and opening another one, or maybe you do. But I'm just imagining rolling SPY puts for a whole year and just never closing and reopening, just always rolling it. Something weird to think about. I might start trying it. But we'll see. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.